we have been pondering. How could we make logistics more unimpeded? With the new industrial revolution, Made in China 2025 will accelerate China's manufacturing industry towards intelligence, digitalization, and networking. It increases needs for visualization, scenarism, globalization, and robustness of logistics supply chain industry. In 2012, Mr. Cai Shi, a renowned expert dedicated to logistics technology and equipment industry in Europe, US, and Japan for nearly 30 years, decided to return to China. He determined to introduce state-of-the-art technologies, molding a more efficient and smoother logistics in China. GINFON consists more than 50% R&D professionals with office worldwide and 3 overseas R&D and consulting teams in Europe, US, and Japan. GINFON Group has many high-caliber industrial experts from home and abroad. In the past 5 years, GINFON has acquired hundreds of invention, utility model patents, and software copyrights. GINFON offers comprehensive and analyzes solution industry at its pain point. Systematic R&D, manufacturing and industrialization of intelligent logistics system, project planning and design. Intelligent cloud platform, remote file system, customization of intelligent logistics and information system, and full cycle equipment assessment. GINFON Group has always been guided by world's leading standards, while constantly upgrading its current products. The group also invests a lot in systematically developing new generation intelligent equipment. DWS is a goods information processing system that integrates dynamic weaving, volumetric measurement, and barcode scanning in a single unit. GINFON Divider Wheel Sorter System is National Invention Patent System. This system has been widely used by e-commerce and courier services industry since 2015. Combining science operation features, the self-development Divider sorting system was put into use in courier industry since 2015. GINFON successfully developed and introduced our first single-layer cross-bed sorter in 2016. We successfully upgraded in 2018 the single-row double-decked, single-row double-row, quadruple decks, double-row single-deck, and double-row double-deck model. Increasing the efficiency in four-fold with the cost increase less than half of the original. Multi-deck cross-bed design was awarded a national invention patent. GINFON introduced a series of products for various industries, such as courier, e-commerce, distribution center, garment, medicine, fast-moving consumer goods, and intelligent factories. Provision of low-cost and high-efficiency quality products to the industry. We always adhere to striving for perfection. Central control system enable real-time monitoring system operating status of OCs, such as capacity, power consumption, keynote date. It enables early warnings and a centralized adjustment of operation. Central control can also send field engineer to the alerted point for surveillance. GINFON's hotline can also be synchronized to help solve the problem together. Through layered signaler, programmable logic controller, and HMI level IoT. The operating status of the whole device, from the senior to integrated device, is visualized, so as to improve the productivity of the device and for easy preventive maintenance.
The equipment behind me is working in a low-noise environment. The daily sorting capacity is up to 120,000 pieces per hour, increasing the daily capacity from 1 million to 3 million pieces, equivalent to the workload of 600 skilled workers. In addition, there is no external packing of damages. Package sorting accuracy increased significantly and the sorting error rate is as low as 0.01%.
Begin from courier to supply chain solution. GINFON has implemented logistics system all over the world, provide quality service to customers and increase industry values. Customers' trust and their recognition is the cornerstone of our long-term strategic cooperation. Prospect. GINFON stand by to our original aspiration and moving on to grow together with global modern logistics industry. GINFON makes a smoother logistics.